Hi everybody and welcome to the Armourgeddon channel. My name's Stuart Garner. We're finally moving the Lee today under its own steam, all the way from the workshop up into the museum. And here we have her, in the museum at last. Long time to get her here, but looks absolutely amazing. First time I've driven the Lee properly, any distance. Very enclosed in there, you feel very claustrophobic. All the other wagons, you've got a bit of space, you've got your head out the top, but in there's no visibility, it feels very, very tight. I can only imagine how horrendous it must have been in there with 6 other guys. Still waiting for the new tracks to come. As you can see, these are a bit worn out. We should be getting those any time now, and then we've got the final job of just taking all these end connectors off and replacing all the track pads. And here's Nick. He's done quite a lot of the work on it, him and Tim. And on the way up, when I drove it up the field, up the drive, he was my co-driver because the visibility in there was just so bad. So he was sort of kicking me in the back to go left or right. And he'll be able to tell you a few of the big jobs we've had. Some of the more difficult parts, which were...
Oh, there's many. Restoration of this nature, there's constant aggravation. I mean, the turret up there, it looks like a teeny tiny little thing on top of a tank like this, but it was an absolute nightmare. We were fortunate enough to get the ring gear, which moved relatively well, but once it was all mated and married up, we were surprised just how beautifully smooth it will traverse. We were over the moon with that. But I like to echo what Stuart said, with driving the thing, the noise inside is horrific. We'd be 4 feet away from each other, shouting at the top of a voice, not a chance to be able to hear. It's all hand signals and say, kicking in the back. There are many little restorations that all add to the main restoration. For example, on the front here, we have our grouser box. This is all missing, the lid was completely shot. And it's quite simple, in fact. These are grousers, lumps of iron, which can be clamped onto the track, which gives you more traction when you're on bad ground. Moving down to the back, you'll find we had a big problem, and as far as the rear boxes, the stowage boxes were completely smashed. It looked like they've hit something in Australia when they first got it moving 25 years ago. So we've had to completely refabricate the 2 stowage boxes here. This one holds the hand cranking handle to turn the engine over. The other one has a big spanner on for tightening the tracks. So again, all these little bits and pieces add into one cracking restoration.
Thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed the videos, then please like and subscribe and get ready for our next big restoration.